Imagine this. You're trying to pull out of your spot in the junior lot, or J lot, and before you even have time to react, some bozo comes out of nowhere and you slam into him. If you're having a tough time visualizing this, here's an example of what it might look like. Well, it might be too late for this, young man, but it isn't too late for you, because if you follow these easy steps, you can be sure to prevent this from happening to your car. Step 1 is get into your car. Now, while this might seem easy, it can in fact be very difficult for someone to enter their car. But with these easy steps, you should get into your vehicle, no problem.
When wanting to get into your fine automobile, make sure you hit the unlock button. Now, the unlock button on here is going to be the red button. No, my bad. It's going to be this one.
Now that your car is unlocked, pull the handle to open the door. If there is no handle, have a friend go in the opposite door of the car and open yours from the inside. Now, while facing your car, make sure to go right leg first, followed by the left leg. Now you're finally ready to start your car. Since there are many different ways to do this, we're not going to be going over them in this video. If you have any further questions on how to start your car, make sure to consult your owner's manual, which should be located somewhere in your car. Alright, and with that, it looks like we're ready to go. So why don't you get on out there and leave the junior lot safely.
What the heck, man?
Sorry.
Look.
Sorry.
No, I can't deal with that.
Just kidding. We actually have a few more steps we have to follow before we'll be ready to safely leave the junior lot. Step 2. Safety precautions. It is recommended to have a fire extinguisher in your car at all times. If you don't have a fire extinguisher, it's important that you go immediately to your local store to pick one up. If there's no one in your passenger seat, it is recommended to keep your fire extinguisher strapped to the seat while getting out of the J lot. If there is someone in the passenger seat, make sure to keep it as close as possible for worst case scenarios. For maximum safety, make sure to fill up the inside of your car with packaging peanuts to prevent any injury. And bubble wrapping the entire outside of your car is a great way to reduce damage not only to your body, but to the body of your vehicle as well. Also, if you have any extra bubble wrap, it doesn't hurt to wrap yourself in bubble wrap for an even safer drive. Alright, and finally, step 3, getting out of the J lot without crashing. There are multiple ways to reduce the chance of a crash. One way is to get to the J lot before anybody else. One way to do this is to leave early and run down to the J lot as fast and as stylishly as you can. Another way to reduce the chance of crashing is to go over the curb in the J-lot, as this allows you to maneuver through traffic with ease. Another thing you can do is to park on the sidewalk, as this eliminates the chance of backing into somebody, as there's not going to be anybody behind you and you don't even need to back up anyways. A great way to reduce the chance of crashing is to get somebody to block all traffic for you, as this allows you to get out first and without any chance of crashing into somebody. And finally, if all else fails, we just have to play the waiting game. Just wait until the parking lot is empty, and then there's nobody around to hit. Alright, so it looks like I'm good to go then. Oh, come on! As for the materials, the only materials you need are a car and the will to live.
In all honesty, guys, as long as you stop at all the stop signs, look both ways, and be patient with other drivers, you should get out of the J-lot without any problems.